Where the hell's my Twitch chat? Hold up. Lifting a fat route curtains for real. Where's my Twitch chat? Come on. Oh my god, did I delete my Twitch chat? Hold up. Hold up. Let me see. Pro streamer for real. Let me see. Where's my Twitch chat? There it is. There we go. Now it's there now. God. Hi everyone. Hi. Yeah, let me put this right. Like right here. That's visible enough. Probably. Hold up. I have to like legitimately delete Fat Ralph from my I have to like delete Fat Ralph from my things forever. Hold on. Fat Ralph died. I'm sorry. I know it's fucked up. I'm sorry, Mr. Ethan. I know I know that's all you came here for. You can leave if you want. But you know what? That reminds me. Have I ever ran Windows debloat on this? I don't think I did. Like ever. Actually, now I think about it. Damn. I mean, okay, I must have because Copilot's gone. What? Huh. I mean, that's kind of weird. Whatever. Anyway, hello everyone. Hello. I'm getting back on the grind again. As you can tell. On my Godot C++ grind. You know, before anything, hold on. I need to lower down the volume for myself. There you go. So, sorry, I was just checking if all the doors closed. Oh yeah, big lore question. Do shark only allow 2 characters on their face? No! They can allow more than at most 3 characters, then it like overflows. Like, okay, let me pull up like a image real fast. If I can find it, of course. There's a lot. Hold on. Gonna take a little bit. How do I? Okay, me icons. There you go. Now I can actually see. Wow. All right, found it. There you go. So How do I scale this? All right, here you go. As you can see right here, they can have more than like right like okay, you can't see my cursor, but like right here, they can have more. They can have more than 2 characters. It's like but it's gonna like overflow at like at like more than 3 characters. So like say for example, let's see. So right here, okay, so hold on. I could probably like I could probably put like a notepad. Here you go. So how do I how do I do this? There you go. So oh my god. Okay. Uh so wait, it's normally like this, but then it can also be like it can also have like any 2 characters, and it could be like any 3 characters. Just things like that and things like that. But if okay, you know what? Sure, the jump is like coming across my screen, so I guess I'll do that. If you try to input more than 3 characters, so jump, it would overflow to like the next line. That's how it's gonna work. So yeah, get as creative as you want on with that. God damn. I mean, I could do it. I mean, I don't know. I could do it like a different way. Who knows? But yeah, that's basically the gist of it. Thank you for asking. God, all right. Let me get situated. I see. Padded chakra will have we'll have. Oh, that's yeah, that's good. Hell yeah, no backslash whoops. Yeah, no, I get ya. I legitimately forget what I was doing here. I know something to do with conductor. Oh yeah, that's right. Excuse me. So what did I want to do again? I set it. I changed it to Rubicon Chime Change Array for some reason. Oh yeah. If I guess not. I guess what I guess I'm jumping straight into get straight into the content. I was gonna yap a little about my day, but you know, professional streamer I know, but like I think most streamers just do like an I like a just chatting portion before they actually do the programming itself or like the content. I mean, but whatever, I can do it after. It's fine. I will want to be like a little bit quicker with this, considering I had an idea for like I had an idea for like the good night Grems post, and I think it's gonna be awesome. Just watch. But let's see. Be convert data? No. What are they doing here? What? What's lock in Annie? Can't wait to see what you make. I mean, okay. Look, I had an idea. Oh my god, Iris. I had an idea for like a for like the game I'm making. Where okay, obviously, yeah, no, never mind. I shouldn't discuss this with everyone like on stream. I should just like do it on like my own server. But yeah, basic what like literally what I'm essentially doing is just making like a good like an old uh like I don't know, I guess quote unquote revolutionary Friday Night Funkin' engine. Though I'm not gonna call it that. It's whatever. It's all I gotta know is that I'm gonna be suffering for like a good bit. My so okay, so usually uh with like games and stuff, uh I don't know, like everything's like done with like scripts and like runtime and stuff. Uh you don't have to get what that means. You will want to get what this means. So okay, so let me see. It should have it should just have like a layout, right? Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself. All right, animate Adobe Flash Pro. How about that? Yeah. Okay. Look. Actually, this is a good example. So okay, do you see like okay, well, uh, oh my god, someone fingering a mouse. It's crazy. So you see this whole like idea of like a visual like video editor and stuff like that. What I essentially want to do is like do something like this, but like for Friday Night Funk, essentially. So that's my goal right now. And now I have to focus because honestly this thing's been like long overdue. So huh. I just have to I have to. Why are there Annie Kirby's walking around? Those are my shark grams, bro. They haven't been here in a while. Hey, Jofi, what's up, Mr. Jofi? But yeah, that's all of you in chat. It's fucking awesome. Okay, no, I remember what I was gonna do is Yeah, that's right. So I wanted to get like a set current step, and then have something a little bit like this. Oh, excuse me. Ha. It could just be value. Wait, hold up. I have to like I have to like make like setters for all these. Do you remember? Were any of you there when Iris actually debuted? I was. I was kind of hype as hell. I can't lie with you. God, I'm nerding. I'm already like nerding out over Half-Life. I'm sorry. It's just in my nature, honestly. God damn. No, I'm a filthy nugent? How could you? That's fucked up. Honestly. I haven't seen a single Hololive debut. Okay, look. Although, like, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I. Speaking of debuts, okay, so I was there. I remember I was vividly there for like I was only there for Sana's blah, blah, Sana's and then Raora and Elizabeth's debuts, and that's it. That's oh shit, I dropped my keycap. That's all I've been there for. Even like as much of a grim as I wasn't there at the start. I woke up late to the Justice debuts. No, actually, I did see Bibus and Full Mokos as well, and like I believe that was it. Gigi's debut is really funny. I haven't seen Gigi's debut. Like I mean okay I'm in the process of watching it. I'm in the process, but like you know, it takes a little while, especially considering the sort of life I have, which is I mean it's I say like I have a hard life. I don't I like no. It's more like I usually just listen to live streams in the car, and you know I haven't been in the car recently because I haven't had much of a reason to, aside from like school. I guess like when I'm driving completely by myself. So her voice, yeah, okay, yeah, her voice was like so. Her voice was so, like, I don't know. It was so high before. Like, god damn. Like, no reason. Okay, well, there's probably a reason. She was probably just nervous. But, like, you know? If validate. Blah, blah, blah. I do this every single time. Blah, blah, blah. There you go. So, set current step. Huh. Alright, so how do I remember I created time changer just for this. So, yeah, that's right. Okay, so, So, then the time change, the time change index equals, time change array, data dot find. We try to find what? Time change array find. I'm thinking. Find. The hell was I doing? I complete. Okay, no. No. Like get. Fuck. Get time change at step. Whoops. Sorry about that. Let's see. Get time to just step. P value. There you go. That should probably be a. That should probably be nice. And a remake Deltarune's engine into Godot. My stream suggestion. You know what? That would be so nice if I wasn't so busy. Good idea, but goddamn, I really need to finish a lot of the shit I have. Oh jeez. But yeah, um, what did I do? Oh, okay, no, okay, I know what I shall do. First, let me open lazy get in here. Mama. Float. What? Oh shit. Alright, float. Get MS for uh for a measure and con blah, blah, all this shit. There you go. And we can just copy this like 3 times, but for you know, for beat and step. There you go. Hell yeah. Blah 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 blah. Alright, I got it. So, and I'm gonna have to make these new functions. It should be fine, probably. So, get get MS for measure. Ba 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 ba. I probably want to make more like helper functions like that too, but you know, let me focus on this first. There you go. Get MS for measure. So, how should I do this? What the fuck am I doing? Hold up. If I'm not wrong, I could just Rubicon conductor. Let me see. MS to measures. Get MS for measure. No, it's measure to MS. Yeah, this is just okay. Alright, I got it. So it's not just as simple as that. 6.9k points. Yeah. Funny 6.9. Whoa! I love 6.9! Whoa! Whatever. I don't care. I'm just kidding. I care so much. Here, hold on. Let me find it. Blah, blah, blah. Where are they? There it is. What do you think? What do you think about that, Fat Ralph? I'm fat. Thank you, Fat Ralph. We appreciate it. There. You could just be there permanently forever now. Yay! For real, yeah. Fat Ralph, yeah. There, I like Sap's belly. True. True as fuck. God damn. They could just be there now. Are you happy? Are you happy, my little Grams? God. Whatever. Get MS for measure. Wide Ralph, thank you. Their name is Fat Ralph. What the fuck are you talking about? Don't call them wide. Ads, damn. That's on you for calling them fat, for calling them white Ralph. God damn. I have no idea why. I just have a sudden craving for like Sprite, but I don't. Ugh. Whatever. I'm gonna add which is impossible because I have extensions bypassing ads fully. It's fucked up. Get MS for measure. I've done this before. No, okay, I've done this before. Probably. MS. MS Builder. So, damn, bypassing her ads, that's fucked up. Yeah. Oops. Sorry about that. There you go. Int. Excuse me. Goodness. I guess while everyone watching an ad, I'll just lock in. That's right, Rubicon change. I am back for real. Hey, welcome back. Honestly, that's what you get for like. that's what you that's what you cook. That's what you get for calling them fat. For calling them White Ralph. I'm just saying. It's fucked up. They're merely fat, not wide. Data. Oh, that's right. Hold up. Gotta validate data. If not validate data, then return. Hell yeah! It's okay as long as you get the bag. True. Thank you. Although I feel like I'm making like jack shit off this, but it's okay because I'm not here for the money. I really just want to stream and make people happy. Like I've said like a billion times already. And I'm gonna keep saying it because that's my fucking goal. Let's see. So, actually, hold on. I'm thinking. So, if, okay, no, I got it. So, we could have like a previous, thing right here. So, previous is data minus I minus 1, and then ms plus equal, and we should, what? If, okay, no, if current, time, which is the measure, is above, I'm thinking, hold on, okay, disregard that for now, let me just, what, ms plus equals current, above, below, did I fucking say that? Did I actually say that? Damn. I didn't even know that. That's fucking crazy. No, I said above you. Damn. My bad. Let me see. MS time minus. It's current. I think. Okay, no. This is probably correct. And some... Wait, what the fuck am I doing? Hold on. I don't need to count this again. Hold on. Am I fucking stupid? Hold up. I guess subbing because one single person probably doesn't make the same money at watching ads each month as a sub cost. Yeah. God damn. Huh. Okay, so maybe I shouldn't rely on a on a counter. If anything, then if current time is above... Fuck, why am I struggling on logic? Is it because I'm streaming? I'm not like fully locked in. My ad money gets eaten by Fat Ralph. Yeah, they're always there. I'm saying they're like they're non-binary. Is Fat Ralph non-binary now? Goodness me. Hold up. Alright, let me think. No, okay, I got it. Alright, so let's do that. If current time is above or equal to P, no, below measure, then continue, right? But, oh shit, I spelled continue wrong. Am I fucking stupid? I don't deserve to be a programmer. Otherwise, MS is... MS, is current MS time plus, I'm thinking. Give me a minute. Damn, I be thinking a lot. Let me think. Okay, no, I've got it. So, Rubicon conductor, I have utility functions just for this, and I'm like struggling to like find which one to do. Am I fucking stupid? Alright, measure to MS. Measure to MS. And then it would be measure, which would be what? P measure minus current time. BPM. I mean, okay, that's easy. And then time signature numerator. So that'll be something like this. There you go. And then break, probably. Actually, I can make this a little bit more cleaner just by changing this to that. Putting brackets here, putting that, and break here. Less code, you know? Probably. I don't know. Let's see. What am I thinking? Get MS for measure. And then what? Just return MS, right? Actually, no. We don't need this. Hold on. If this, then just return this. Am I fucking stupid? Your internet's being extra mean today? How mean. could try to fix it, but you know, it's fucked up that way, I guess. It's whatever. It'll be fine for the most part. Goodness me. Otherwise, return 0.0, and then return 0.0. There you go. Hell yeah! There you go. And we just do the same thing for like get ms for measure. Let's see. So now we have a get ms for beat, right? So, oops, didn't mean to just do that. Let me see. Got my beats right here. Const. Huh. Could I, Wait, am I stupid? No, it's, okay, no. Okay, yes, it is ms, but like, god damn, okay, god, fuck. I should make extra functions right here, so get, so now we gotta do a get measure for ms. Conversions, conversions. God damn. So many. Math. Oh, that was not egregious in hard math, but you know, it's still math. Get measure for beat. There you go. Get measure for step. This would probably be convenient in some way, shape, or form. There you go. Hell yeah. And we should do, copy this like, there you go. A little bit more times, but this time it's for beat. Beat for ms. Get beat for measure. And then get beat for step. There you go. And now get step for ms. Get step for measure. Get step for beat. Can't forget the... Hold up. Can't forget this whole thing. There you go. Okay, now that's right. That's wrong. It should be measure. And this should be beat. There you go. Hell yeah. Flipping my hair. God. MS for beat. So, let me just do the old validate data thing. Alright, you know what? First, just because I guess it's easier this way. I want to get... I just want to... Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I really just want to reuse this function again. So... Let's see. How would I reuse this function? So we do get ms for beat. Get measure for beat. There you go. Let's do this one. And then... Boop! There you go. So, now we gotta you know, do a little bit of this. There you go. Alright, now I think is the time where I do a beat count. Beat count. Excuse me. Goodness. Ugh. God damn. Alright. Let me see. What can I do about this? So, if we're realistically speaking, current. Huh. Alright, let me figure this out. Beat count plus equals. Okay, no, this is the part where we would need a previous one. So previous is data minus 1. There you go. Is current. Huh. No. Rubicon conductor. Huh. I guess I could do just measure the beats, huh? So measure to beats. Current time minus previous time, and then time signature. It should be the previous time signature, right? I'm surely smart that way. All I can really hope in this instance is that I don't know, shit. So let's see if so okay, hold on. I could do a beat length equals this, right? And this could be beat length plus beat length. And then, if beat count plus beat length is more than, what? It's more than the beat. Whoops, sorry about that. Then, first of all, let's put a break there. And then beat count, wait, am I fucking... Wait. Huh. Get measure for... No, I'm supposed to be getting the measure. Am I fucking stupid? Oh my god! Okay, so I'm supposed to be... like, doing a measure count here. God damn it. Am I Whatever. Surely we'd be fine. Surely. Goodness me. I remember, I had, like, an idea for, like, another, like, Gigi Mooding. Goodnight Grams, thing. I don't know if I already said that. I probably did already say that. I'm gonna say it again, I guess. Get measure for beat. It's real fun, isn't it? Watch me do math. And struggle to do math. Cause I'm stupid. Beat length. Beat length. What was I gonna do with beat length? Oh, no, I know. So it be, okay, so now. Okay. Alright, hold up. So then. So return, uh, previous time plus Rubicon conductor beats to measures, and then p beat minus beat count. There you go. I'm smart. Look at me. Oh, what's wrong now? Too few function art. Okay, my bad. Hold up. I'll do that real quick. Time signature numerator. There you go. Hell yeah. There. I'm smart. There you go. And for this, just return get ms for measure. Get measure for beat. Yeah, I know. I'm smart like that. There I go. Does most of the legwork for me. Most of they just rely on measures, huh? And then for this, basically the same idea here, except it's for steps. No, wait, I could just copy all this. Hold up. So now instead we have a step count. Step count, step length. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. Just change the word to step. There you go. That's a lot of getters. Yeah, that is. What else am I? What am I supposed to do about it? They're all mainly like utility functions. I can't lie. Not necessary, but you know, it's really nice to have. Cause you know, it's necessary for me. Cause I don't want to type all this shit every single time. IMO. I mean, okay, it is necessary because not all these are like necessarily necessary, but you know. Steps to measures. There you go. And then measure to steps. And then previous time signature. Oops, time signature denominator. There you go. Me and love time signatures. That's a delta. That's like a Deltarune thing. Goodness me. Alright, that's good. Alright, and now for get ms for step. Right? Alright, here's my little life hack. Get ms for measure. Get measure for step. There you go. There's my life hack. God damn, I'm so smart. Hell yeah. Goodness me. It's been 54 minutes? Damn! And I've just been doing this? I didn't even realize. God damn. Time really passes, huh? Damn. That's fucked up. What? That's crazy. Whatever. Alright, so get measure for MS. Damn, yeah, for real. That's what I'm saying. The clock. You know, yeah, of course the clock would be crony. Why would I, why wouldn't it be? But you know, that's entirely fair. Get measure for MS. So MS to measures. Huh. I could probably just do something like this again, but like for MS. So MS, fucking MS count. God. MS to measures. Oops, my bad. There you go. There's probably an easier way of doing this. Let's not kid ourselves here. There you go. Alright, and now let's just do MS to measures. MS length is okay, we don't need this, be for real. Let's see. P time, There, I don't think we even need an MS count. Hold up. So if MS count, so if there's an easier way of doing this. Right, okay. If current MS time is is this right? Hold up. Get MS for measure. Okay, I mean, yes, it would be, actually, now I think about it. It's not like I'm going backwards or anything, so it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Probably. God. I'll trust the process. I'll trust it. Whatever I did passed me like 10 minutes ago. So, let's see, if current... Will we even need a previous time? I don't think so. I don't think so, but... if current MS time is above or equal to P time, then it should be... Let's just get rid of this. Current MS time... Oh, no. It should be current time plus Rubicon conductor MS to measures. And it shall be... Shit. Okay, I already did this, right. You know what? Let me see what I did. Okay, what the hell was I doing? Let me see. Okay. Okay, what was I doing? Hold up. I swear, I could have made this so much simpler. Hold up. I know what I shall do. MS to measures, blah blah blah. Actually, okay, no, I'll make it a part of this. Hold on. I'll make it a part of this. So, huh. MS to measures. So that, and then current MS time. Okay, so P time minus current MS time. That's gonna be your little offset. And then, huh. And then divided by measure value. So that's gonna be Rubicon conductor, MS, no, measure, okay, no, measure to MS, 1.0 BPM, current BPM, and then current time signature numerator. There we go. Hell yeah. There you go. And that's how we do it. See? It wasn't that hard. Me? God damn. Why'd I do that? Hold on. It wasn't that hard. God. Hold up. And then we just do a... And we... Now here we just do... Get measures... Yeah, high. Yeah. My bad. I should... Since when did I have that? It just an auto... It was just automatically added. I should really make my own emotes, but yeah. Get MS for measure. No, get... For measure... No, MS to measure, so get... MS to measures. Get measure for MS. Yes! That is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, great. So, MS time. There you go. Fuck, I'm so smart. That was so simple. It wasn't that hard! God damn. Why did I have to do everything like that? God damn. It's just, that was like old me. Or like young me. My bad. Alright. Back to work. Sorry, I was looking at something. Alright. Get measure beat. Get beat for MS. Right, okay. So... What are these Twitch emotes? I don't know. I haven't even checked out my own Twitch emotes yet. Pew pew. Oh, yeah? Yeah. Goodness me. Flow, what? Get beat for MS, right? Alright, so... Rubicon time change array. And then, oops, I spelled time wrong. Am I fucking stupid? Get beat for MS. Blah, 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 blah. Alright, I got it. So, how about... Return... Get... Okay, Rubicon... Oh, no. Get measure... For beat... No, get measure... Get beat for measure. And then... Get measure for MS. There, I'm so smart. Hopefully that works out. Imagine in the end, like I'm like I feel like I'm almost done with everything. Like everything's almost functioning, and I test run like one song and it's just completely wrong. Fucking like it's like that one map pack gift it's like every like or like Scott like shuts the door and like every one of your theories or every one of your every single equation you did was wrong. Every single piece of logic wrong. Ah, I would be pissed. Alright, so measure, let's see. So let's get this whole thing up in here. But we should do something different. So get be actually I could just boop. There you go. Beat count. And then beat length. If so this time it should just be measure count, right? Measure count, measure length, blah blah blah. There you go. Measure length. Hashtag sigh. So we should do actually measure length. What are you, I don't particularly need measure length, but blah 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 blah. God damn. My neck be crickling. Ah! Sorry. Oh. A wee bit tired? Not really. I'm not tired. I just sat here for a little while. Ah. It be whatever. So I don't really need measure length. I could just do like current time. Current time is minus previous time. That's my measure length. Huh. Measure. Measure. No, it's not measure. It's beat count. Oh, it's a beat count. Oh, that's why I had a beat count. God damn it. Okay, hold up. Beat. Okay. Let's try this again. So we got a beat count, right? Ugh, I'm just trying everything at this point. Beat length. Alright, beat count. Alright, beat length is... Alright, so this was right. Alright. There you go. Oops. Sorry about that. So if that is both... So now we have... Beat length. No, it's beat count. Plus beat... Okay, no, we should do beat length. Yep. Plus, what? Rubicon conductor. Get... Fuck. What was it? Beats? Measures to beats, right? Yes. So we got p measure minus previous time. And then previous time previous time signature numerator. Hell yeah, there we go. Am I fucking smart? God damn. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. God. I'm thriving right now. Actually. Also a wee bit hungry. Get step. Right, okay, so... In that case, return get beat for measure. Get measure for beat for step. God, I'm so fucking lazy. Does that work? Hello? Come on. Seriously? There you go. Yay! Yeah. Alright, so let's see. Try something. So... So what next? We got float, Rubicon, time change, array, boop boop boop, there you go. And then we got a get step for ms. Right, there you go. And then... Alright, on a rock, whatever you do, get ms for... No. Get step for ms. So get step for measure, and then we just do get measure for ms. There you go. I'm fucking lazy as fuck. God, I love doing that. It's probably not like super efficient, but at this point, like, god damn, I'd rather just get this out right now, and you know, so it at least functions the way I want it to, and you know, just functions better. Get step for measure. My bad. I could have just done this from the start. Hold up. There you go. Boop 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 boop. There you go. Get step for measure. Alright, so... let's just do the same thing here, but for steps. How about that? Step count, step length. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah, there you go. And then measure to steps. And then measure to steps. There you go. And as for you, time signature denominator. There you go. Hopefully that's correct. Same thing here. Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about. And then get step for beat. Float. Oops, I could probably, like I said, I could probably just do this again. Blah blah blah, Rubicon conductor. Home. Hum hum. Hum 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 hum. What if I just do like, get step for beat, get step for beat. Alright, so, how about get step for measure? No. Yeah. No, that's a thing, right? I swear that's a thing. Oh, no, because I did for Ruby on Conductor. Am I stupid? There you go. Get step for measure. Get measure for beat. And then beat. Probably have like minimal impact on the actual thing, but you know. Oh great, that's right. Now I have to register all these. God damn it. Sure. Alright, so I gotta do these old triplet things. Get ms for measure. Measure, and then time change array, and then me when I have to bind things. Ew. I got bind things. Ugh. Jeez. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Beat. Step. Change this to beat. And step as well. Oops, there you go. Oops, and I had to change this as well. Almost forgot. Alright, now let's copy this. See, boop, there you go. And then get measure for ms. Right, so these are replaced with get measure. Get measure for ms time. I should probably, okay, no. Not this right away. I'll just do the, copy them later. Get measures for ms. There you go. And then copy this thrice. There you go. Or twice, I guess. Get ms for beat. Step. More beats. More steps. But I spelled beat wrong. Probably shouldn't spell beat wrong. Oops. There you go. And then for this, we should do a get beat for ms. And we do the same thing over here. Right. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Get beat for ms. Get beat for measure. Get beat for step. Yes. There you go. Measure. Boop. Step. Stepple. Get beat for measure. Get beat for step. How it be? Get step for ms. Step for ms. For measure and beat. Measure and then more beats. There you go. Measure, get step for beat. Alright! That's, wait, that's good, actually. Alright, hold up. Alright. Fat Ralph, you're going away for just a second. Actually, no. Fuck! God damn it! Here, Fat Ralph can just stay right here. It'll be fine. Let me publish my changes, so... Fat Ralph overtakes the stream. Again. For like a millisecond. Honestly, okay, ms to measures, we don't need that. There you go. Let's just get rid of that for now. Because at that point, you might as well just use a Rubicon time change array. And let's get rid of this. Whoop, 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 whoop. There you go. Hell yeah. Alright. Fat Ralph jump scare for real. Alright, there you go. And then base. Change array. Introduce helper functions. Rubicon conductor. Remove ms to measures. There you go. Pushing. Alright, that's some work done. Fat Ralph jump scare. Yeah, my bad. Goodness me. God. That'd be fine though. Here, let me put Fat Ralph back on the screen. There you go. All good. Now Fat Ralph is still here. Goodness me. Alright. And then now, why do I need that again? Legitimately forgot. No, I remember. I kind of sort of remember. It was for Rubicon Conductor. Set current step. There you go. No, not here. In here. Damn it. Alright. And then what? Time. Huh. Time is... Now I'm thinking, should time even be like a, It's MS time, right? Okay. Sure, MS time. Get, no. Time change array. Get MS for step. P value. What? What? The fuck? Huh. No, it's fucking set time. Am I stupid? Hang on. Holy shit, it's more Calliope again. There you go. Now I can actually add these as properties now, which is awesome! Excuse me. Now it's what? This is beat. Get MS for beat. There you go. Alright, and then now we got a... Oop, there you go. I don't know why. I just had like this. I don't know. I just had like this tingling sensation in my brain of like, I just thought of like 7-Eleven brewed coffee for some reason. My dad used to always go to like 7-Eleven to like go and get like specifically like, just like their coffee, because I think it was like brewed fresh. And it was awesome. Maybe not brewed fresh, but it was brewed good enough. That was like what, like several years ago though. But I still remember that distinct 7-Eleven coffee type shit. It makes me wonder if coffee's actually good. And to be fair, no, it is good, but you know, I'm a basic bitch, and like the only coffee I've really drank is just like fucking Starbucks frappuccinos. Like, because I was constant. I don't know. I was like addicted to like Starbucks frappuccinos when I was like a little weenie baby. when when Dogi Bird revealed that she had like that same experience, I was like, wow, she's like me for real. Fun stuff, I know. Let me see. There you go. And then, boop, boop. D method. Set current step. Step. I guess I could just go value, to be honest. And just, Rubicon conductor set current step. There you go. Oh yeah. Wait, no, okay, no, fuck. Wrong character. There you go. Define it physically on my keyboard. Copy this a whole bunch, but change this to beat. There you go. It's the beat as well. To measure. And also this to measure. And let's add a group called... No, let's add a group beforehand called, let's see, current. And then it'll just be current. There you go. Add property. Property info. It should be time, but like, okay, so we got property info, variant. It'll be a float. Oops. Variant, float. And then it'll be a current step. Okay, I guess I could just do it in, like, inversely. So current measure, property hint, let's see. So we got property hint none. Hint none. No hint string. Property usage. Alright. Property usage editor. And only editor. There you go. And then set current step. Get current step. There you go. And then we do the same thing, but for current... Oh, fuck, am I stupid? Current measure, and then measure right. Alright, let's go. Let's hope this works. So, boop, boop. And then this for beat. This one's for beat. Step. The step line. For all them steps. Oh, and current beat, current step. Ah, alright. Hopefully, this shall work. Let's compile. And let's wait for the moment of truth. Ah. Excuse me. Ba ba da ba 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 ba. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba ba. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 ba. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 ba. Sorry, I be humming. It's just taking a little bit. I've never heard this song before. I'm just humming to like the vibes. Honestly, Miss Hammy be humming? Yeah. Improvising my own, like, counter harmony, something like that. Music theory? What's that? Luckily enough, I used to take singing classes and like voice lessons when I was a teeny weeny little baby. And by that I mean like middle school. My mom gave up on me because she didn't think I had it in me. But well, that's up to me to say. I've always liked singing, to be honest. That's why I joined choir when I was in middle school. All right, let's see. Um, though to be fair, I'm not sure if I sing the best, but I do love it. I love it. Though I think right now I think I'm at a point in time where I'll probably be like super scared to actually try and sing ever. All right, let's see if this works. All right, so great. All right, what's wrong now? God damn it! All right, all right. Let's see. All right, all right. Output some shit for me. It happens as soon as I do anything. Here. Could it map PC to FN name? I don't have any debugging things, huh? Alright, now time to debug. Alright. Who likes debugging? Yippee! So, the bug for real? God damn. Why'd do that? It's fucked up. Me when it crashes and you don't know, and all it shows is couldn't map PC to FN name. That's just great. Catastrophic failure is my favorite. Alright, hum. Hum, 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 hum. Property hint none. Property uses editor. Ha 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 ha. I wonder. What if I get rid of the property thing? It's probably not gonna affect anything, but you know. Wait, then it would be like another underlying issue. No. Okay, if we'll be real, it's probably like a no, but what the fuck? What? I'm gonna go crazy. Whatever. 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 Slapping my legs because I'm so intermediately pissed. All right, fine. All right, you know what? Just in case, let's comment this out. Is this the issue? All right. Oops. Whoops. 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 All right. There you go. All right. Get MS for beat, but like it's all there. Why? Why are you doing that? I don't like it when it does that. Ugh. I'm really tired. Alright, nice. What up? Alright, let's see what it is. Now, edit normally. Please function. Oh! Okay, it is because of that. Time change array is null or not valid. But it so is. Okay, alright. Well, let's establish this. So it's something to do with the setters. These setters specifically. Oh, wait, I think I got it. No, it's just the way I ordered this. Hold up. This should come after. There you go. But then there's a... Set current... Set measure... Current measure... Those are a thing, right? Yes, these are a thing. Why it do that? Why it do that? It's not wrong, surely. Excuse me. My bad. Okay, so... This should be... By all metrics, this should be... Oh no, I get it. I get it. No, I get it. Silly me. If... Alright, so if data size is equal to 1, then return... I'm a little stoopy whoopy. I should probably check beforehand, but it's okay. At least I know now. Let me see. New outfit review. That's awesome. Thank you, Huckle Spells. So awesome. Time change. Array. Wait, no, this is the time changer. What are we doing? Data 0 as ref Rubicon time change array time change. And then Rubicon conductor. Measures 2 steps. And it's gonna be this. Oops. I should probably make this a, hold up. I'm gonna add this multiple times, so... Rubicon time change is current. Time change, I guess, is equal to this. Or no, just data 0 is fine. There you go. And then time change. What? P measure. What is wrong with me? God damn. Never considered this. P, time change. Time signature numerator, time change. Time signature denominator. There you go. Hiya! That's what I'm talking about. Then, just for good measure, error. What does validate data do again? Oh, right. Good. Alright, so do this, but for like, Again, get beat for measure. Measures to beats. Oh, Bagner. There you go. And then for get measure for... Huh. Get ms for measure. So that's gonna be get... measures to ms, I guess? Measure BPM. Okay, no. Yeah, okay. Time change BPM. There you go. Hell yeah! And then for, get measured to ms. Okay, no, that doesn't need one. Okay, no, this won't need one either. Realistically. Anything that doesn't... Okay, no, this one needs one because it starts at 1. Right. Get measure for beat. Beats to measures, right? Beats to measures. Beat. And then time signature numerator, right? Yes. Hell yeah! There you go. And this one starts at 1 as well. Alright, so get measure for step. So, steps to measures. There you go. And then we need another thing right here. Time change denominator. There you go. Should be it. 1, 1, 1. Alright! Let's try now. Excuse me. Goodness me. What the fuck? There you go. In this case, let's clear this. Oops, sorry about that. Clear this out. Alright. Hell yeah. There you go. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Okay, wait. If I set it to 4, right? God damn it! Fuck! Alright, what happened now? Ah. Index P negative 1 is out of bounds. La 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 Alright, hold up. Let me, excuse me. Actually, no. This should be... It's in the right place. There you go. Cow data. Hum. Why did... so let's see. Why did it do that? It should not do that. That's wrong. So get ms for measure. How does it work? Let's see. Why did it do that? I don't like it when it does that. Set current measure. Set time change index. Oh, get time change at measure. find... Right, okay. Time changer rate after just null or invalid. Alright. So print line. Let's debug. Alright. We love debugging. Oh, we so love it. Alright, do your shit, scones. Oops, my bad. There you go. Oh, I love auto high. Alright, so it should not crash like immediately. Oh. What? Okay. How strange. Why did it do that? So it didn't, Ah, I see, Okay. No, I get it. I get it. So it... Honestly, it should be like... If current... No, what? If current time is below P measure, then... What?! Oh! No, I got it wrong! Huh. It should be... I'm so silly. Sorry. I'm just silly like that. There you go. I got it wrong. I got the logic wrong. How could I get it wrong? I'm perfect in every way. What? No! There's no way. Alright. Hell yeah. Alright. Oops. Yeah, I know it's not, yeah, it's not valid, I know. Please. Alright. Hopefully this works. Why did it do that? Okay. Okay, so it gets it fine, but like, if P measure... Okay, so if P measure is below current time, right? Then... skip it. Well, but then, no. I think that was right the first time, actually. If the current... So if current time is below... God damn, I have to think. It's been like, what, in 2 hours by now? I gotta think. Fuck, I hate thinking. Whatever. Fuck, I hate thinking. Ugh. Sorry, I be yawning. Wow. If current time is below P measure, then continue. Huh. Okay, no. I've got it. Measure, right? And then... Alright, I got it. So ref blah 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 blah. And previous. If current time is under P measure. If current time. So now, if it's above, then return the... No, I've got... Oh. Sorry, my mind's going to overdrive math mode right now. Huh. Or just logic mode in general. Previous. Huh. If current time is above P measure. Oh! No, I got it. Return previous. There you go. Else. If... Ugh. If data size equals 1, then return... Well, I guess in that case, just return the first one. Or should I just do, like... front? I guess? I don't know. There you go. Goodness me. And then, same thing here, and... Same thing here as well, actually. And then... I just want to sit back and relax. Sorry, I'm stretching. Sorry. God damn. This fucked up. Why does programming have to be, like, slightly hard? This is bullshit. Why can't it just be easy? Why can't I just think, why can't I just think of the logic, like, immediately? It's so fucked up. What if I just want to be 100% silly? Huh? Huh. Unfortunately, circumstances do not allow me to do that right now. I mean, it does, but like, you know, I still gotta do my, yeah. Ha ha ha. Blah. Ha ha ha. Blah. Truly. Truly. I hate thinking. Why do I have to think? It's bullshit. Fuck thinking. Thinking's for nerds. Ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba ba. Huh. The fuck? Okay. The way I was auto-tuned, I thought that was like the fucking like I thought that was like the Pillar Man theme. Goodness me. This wasn't working either last I recall. You know what would go crazy? Yoro Konde by Gigi Murin? True. Hashtag true. Hold on. wait, y'all have to see this. Guess what one of the like one of the autocompletes were. Hold up. Let me see. Wait. There you go. Guess what? What one of the the, the autocomplete suggestions were for fucking hi Yorokonde. Yorokonde, sorry. That's fucking crazy. Yo, for real. It's like they know what I want. I'm just saying. That's really good, honestly. That that's really good. Goodness me. All right, hold up. Now let me actually try and let me actually do that now. Yippee, truly. Alright, let's make this a little bit more simpler. Oops, there you go. Let's see, what was it? Beat count? Actually, hold on. Huh. I didn't need this one. I have the perfect plan. Uh-huh. But, beat measure. Get measure for beat. Beat. No. P. Beat. There you go. Fuck yeah. Uh... Get time change to MS. I had to change this too, god damn it. Okay, so if current time is below, is above beat measure. Huh. What the hell am I doing? Hold up. I got it. Ugh. I'm so silly. I'm so silly. Ha 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 ha, I'm so silly. get time change at beat, at measure. There you go. And then, and then for this, let's do... Ba ba da ba ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba da ba. Ba 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 da ba da ba. Ba da ba ba da ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba ba. Ba 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 da ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba da ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba da ba ba ba. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba. Ba da ba 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 da ba 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 da ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba da ba. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da ba. Ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da. Ba 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 da ba da ba da ba ba ba. Ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba ba. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba ba. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba 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 da ba ba da ba. Alright, hopefully this actually does oops, sorry, I forgot to don't save. There you go. So it can actually save like the executable, I mean. The compiled executable. Get me out of this hellhole. Alright, let's see if this works now. Alright, let's see. Alright, that's normal. Fuck! Alright, why is it doing that? So at this point, they all rely on get time change at measure, right? Alright, let's see. Alright, okay, so at least the time measure thing, time thing isn't wrong. So now, I just have to see, get MS for measure. Fuck, okay. Set time. That's a problem with set time? It couldn't possibly be, right? No, it's not. Oh, this is the video version, huh? Oh my god. Me Gigi Moon. I'm not reacting right now. I'm gonna get angry. I'm so angry right now. The geek? True. It's geeky. Ugh. Why? Why do you do this to me? God. Alright. Time to print. Alright. Sure. There you go. Now those are my debug messages. Now let's see. Let's debug. Half of coding is just debugging, and it's so fucked up that way. But whatever. Whatever, I suppose. That so goes the process of coding. So goes the process. There you go. Hell yeah. Alright, hold up. There you go. There you go. Yeah! Alright, let's see. Work, please. Please work. Okay, no, it's not gonna work, but where is it going wrong? 4. Why? Why is it doing that? It's not supposed to be doing that. Alright. Let's see. MS for measure. Ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba da. Ba ba da ba da ba 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 da da. Ba da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba 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 da ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba. If current time. Wait, am I fucking stupid? That's not how it goes. It's supposed to go like this. I think that's why. I think I might be legitimately stupid. Huh. And then this. Get measured for MS. I mean, okay, that basically works like the same, so... Alright. That should work. Silly little math error on me. Or, I guess more of a logic error, but you know. Alright, there you go. Hell yeah. Oh shit, I'm doing it again. Goddamn. Well, it's just gonna sconce out and do its thing. Right. Ugh. Whatever. Oh, there you go. Let's see. Alright. Alright, there you go. What? 2,000? Why is 2,000? What the fuck? 2. I mean, it's getting there. Let's be real. It's getting there. So, Problem is going at 2. Ah, I see. Right. Am I fucking stupid? Hold up. No, okay. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Don't worry. Alright. Divided by that amount. There you go. There you go. F. Add the F. Just for good measure. Alright. How about that? Go on. Goodness me. There you go. And now we just, It's still spitting out error messages, but at the very least, it does compile. And that is enough for me for now. Probably. Alright. Holy shit. Measure 2, measure 1. Oh shit. It's working! It's working! I'm doing it! Oh my god, I'm doing it! Look, everything's fucking updating. Oh my god. Oh, I love when it does that. Oh. Oh, me with an update? Look at me. I'm so smart. I'm so smart, everyone. God. Alright, now for the true challenge. Oh, god fucking damn it. Right, this is gonna do that. Time is either null or not valid. Sigh. I'll fix that later. Time 10, BPM. I don't know, 40. Alright, so. So why exactly is it doing that? So it only works for 1, huh? It's offset at, It's a problem with, beat change. It'll be fine, probably. Excuse me, my goodness. This really pisses me off. God. Picto moment. Burp. Oh, I mean, fuck. God damn it! Am I stupid? Pico moment. My bad. Ugh. Me wanna get the logic wrong. Ugh. Me wanna get it wrong. Ugh. does it? Huh. If current time is... Okay, if current time is below that, then continue. God, this pisses me off. Whatever. Current time. I'm okay. Every time I'm trying to like visualize like an idea in my head of how this would play out. So right? Surely that's how it works. And also I have to sorry, poor kid, whatever. I don't care. I can't just be silly. God. We got another ad. Amazing. I'm so sorry. Alright, surely it's done by now, right? Yeah, okay. No problem. Alright, how about this? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? What if I set to 0? Alright, 1. Okay, alright. What's wrong now? Why is it doing that? Okay. Get time, change that measure. Why is it doing that? There's nothing actually wrong with like the setting stuff. It's just get time to get measure now. That's kind of fucking up. Obviously, there's this too, but you know. Hold up. I need to change something. Blah blah blah. If not playing the return, otherwise, blah blah blah. If current, okay, no, if current time. What am I doing? Hold on. I feel like I could just do this. Hold on. return current. It really shouldn't have been that hard, me. Oh my god. If current time is equal to, yep. Wait, huh. Time change index. That goddamn time change index that I hate. Whatever. There's probably an issue. Okay, there's gonna be an issue later, but for now, it works. I'm gonna have to remember to account for like negative things too, because right now, it's like only like the I don't know. Ugh. Whatever. Whatever. What? What happened? Oh, it's because it's open. Oh, right. Whatever. There we go. Alright, let's try this again. It should probably work enough for me to push this and just be done with it, considering it's been 2 hours and it's almost it's been like 2 hour, like 2.5 hours now, or almost that. Alright, does it work? Please work. Alright. Moment of truth. What? Why is it doing that? Why? Why? Why is it doing that? Okay. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? It shouldn't be doing that, but it's doing that anyway. Alright. I'm staying very super intently at this. Oh. Right. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Huh. Alright, so okay, if current time is more than this pisses me off. This pisses me off. This pisses me off. Why is it doing that? God. Okay, look, I'm almost certain it's just because. No, cause, huh. Huh. Front. Blah, 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 blah. I'm so stumped, honestly. So, if current So I put 4 into here, right? And so here's 4. So if current time is above or equal to p measure, then return current. So if 10 is above or equal to 4, return current. If 0 is 0... Ah, I see. I think? I'm not even sure anymore. I'm just typing shit at this point. Alright. If 4 is above 0, that... No, but... Then no! Wow! Oh! Alright. It's not that simple. It's not that simple. Alright. If current time is... Alright, so if... Let me put this in a way I understand. So if p measure is lower than current time, right? Then let's skip it, right? But if not, then just return current. How about that? Am I right or am I right? Tell me I'm right. Please, tell me I'm right. The code, please tell me I'm right. I'm suffering right now. God. I don't even think I want to do the just chatting portion anymore. This shit just pissed me off that much. I just want to go. I should probably do all this at the start, honestly. God damn. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? Huh. It might... Okay, no, it might be a problem with the time change, actually, now that I think about it. It most definitely is something related to this, honestly. Huh. Sitting here and suffering in my boots. Huh. What if I just got rid of beat hit, measure hit, and like everything like that? Honestly. God. But hum. Hum 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 hum. Alright. I've decided. All this should go fuck itself. And along with the signals. Fuck the signals. I hate the signals. God, okay, Let's try and do a time changed. Time change index is time change if I find. Alright. There you go. How about that? Sure. Get time change at MS. Time change, get time. Let's just get time. Why not? Just get time. Sure. There you go. Be lazy. There you go. Hashtag sigh. The best course of action would realistically be to like move on from this, but like goddamn. This is important, like super duper important, cause like goddamn. Fuck the signals, to be honest. Whatever. Alright. There you go. Hell yeah. Alright, there you go. Alright, how about, what, so... What? Okay, there you go. Alright, and then when it reaches 10, it should go to 1. No, it did not. Why did it not do that? Why did it not do that? Hold up. Hold up. Alright, stop playing. There you go. 9. So, we're just not... 10. Why? Whoa. Okay. Alright. Why is it doing that? It shouldn't do that. Okay, well, okay, honestly, I can tell why. Hold on. No, that's on me. I should really base it on measure. So, measure... And then, get current measure. On me. I forget that it doesn't convert data like that. Which it really should, honestly. But, the problem is that I don't know how to... I don't know how to just, like, convert data, like, right away, I guess. That whole thing. So... If this works, then, you know... I still have a long way to go. God damn it! Please. Just... go away. Just go away. God. Alright, there you go. Alright, and then let's do this again. Alright, there you go. Now, how do you feel if I, Alright, how about I set 9, right? I'm so goddamn tired. That's just how it is, though, I suppose. Alright. Let me just do a to-do on this list. As soon as change is, modified. There you go. Alright, some fixes previous. It's still slightly non-functional. There you go. There. I'm done. I'm done. I just want to be alone. God. Go away. There you go. Do you all enjoy watching me suffer? Because that's kind of what I'm going through right now. I really just need a mental break, honestly. But thanks for being here regardless. God damn. And now my PNG tuber model isn't even responding to my voice as well. Cause I'm slightly farther away from a mic than I should be. It's kind of fucked up. But it's whatever. Thanks for being here. And if there's any VOD watchers, thank you for being here since since I know I sound like insincere right now, but I really am. I'm just my mind's just really tired. I'm usually a lot more peppy than than how I am right now. But thank you sincerely. I really hope you got something out of here. Like made you smile, something like that. You know. Seriously though, that's. I really need a break though. Thanks for being here as always. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.